Namaskar. Welcome to the Doctor Show of AMRI Hospitals Bhubaneswar. Today we will discuss about minimal invasive cardiac surgery, keyhole heart surgery, and we have with us Dr. Biswajit Mahapatra,
Namaskar.
cardiac surgeon, AMRI Hospitals Bhubaneswar. Welcome, sir. Sir, what is minimal invasive cardiac surgery or keyhole heart surgery?
See, technology of cardiac surgery is very much advanced these days, and now we can do open heart surgery through very small incisions over the chest without cutting the breastbone or the middle bone. That without cutting the breastbone, we can do open heart surgery through small incisions either on the right side or on the left side of the chest by only 2 inches incision. So, this is called minimal invasive because the size of incision is very small, hence it is called minimal invasive cardiac surgery, or in layman language we call it, in the common man language we call it keyhole heart surgery.
Yes.
So, this is minimal invasive heart surgery.
What kind of open heart surgeries can be done through minimal invasive keyhole techniques?
Okay. So, it is a very good question that we can do most of the regular open heart surgeries that we do by sternotomy or by cutting the breastbone, this center bone on the chest. We can do most of the surgeries by minimal invasive technique or the keyhole technique. Basically, we can do the heart hole surgeries, the ASD, that is ASD closure surgery, aortic valve replacement surgery, mitral valve replacement surgery, and basically the valve replacement surgeries, and selected cases of bypass surgeries, the coronary artery bypass surgery, the CABG, selected cases of CABG surgery by minimal invasive technique by doing small incision on the side of the chest without cutting the center bone.
So, is there any difference between the open heart surgery by stenotomy and open heart surgery done by minimal invasive or keyhole techniques?
Yeah. In both the techniques, open heart surgery is same. Inside the chest, surgery is same, but only change is access. In open heart surgery, in the regular technique, we approach the heart by cutting the center bone or the sternum. That is also called as the breastbone. We cut the sternum and we open into the chest and we reach the heart. Whereas in minimal access technique, we reach the heart by cutting through the side of the chest, either on the right side or on the left side, or very small incision on the upper part of the sternum. So, technically inside everything is same, inside the surgery is same, only change is access. We are approaching the heart with a very small incision. Same as just like in laparoscopy surgery, we operate through very small holes and all. Similarly, we do open heart surgery with very small incision and with the help of a telescope.
What are the advantages of minimal invasive surgery?
Yeah, minimal invasive surgery, like all kind of small basically it is a small incision surgery. So naturally, all the heart surgery patients, once a person is detected with a heart disease, suppose we tell him that he needs to undergo open heart surgery, he is naturally scared because of a long incision, long scar on the chest. So, in minimal access cardiac surgery, as we are not doing a cutting the chest bone, so there is no fear of a large incision on the chest. That is the first and the foremost, because most people are afraid of that big incision on the chest. Second thing is that we are doing in minimal access cardiac surgery, we are doing this surgery through a very small incision on the side of the chest. Particularly in female, this incision is just below the breast fold. It is here, just below the breast fold, and in male, it is in the nipple crease. It is here. That's why basically the incision site is hidden. So no one will know that you have undergone a open heart surgery. So that is the second advantage. And the third advantage is the biggest advantage, that is the patient, the incision is small, so naturally patient will have less pain, there will be less number of days the patient will stay in the ICU, and the recovery is faster, and also the person can return to his regular work very early. Within 1 week patient can, the person can return to his regular day-to-day activity and his daily office work. So that is the biggest advantage, is earlier recovery and quicker return to work.
So minimal invasive surgery needs any special equipments or?
Minimal invasive cardiac surgery, yes, it needs a few special equipments, but in most of the minimal invasive cardiac surgeries we can do with our regular instrument that we use in normal open heart surgery. Yes, few special equipments are required, and we are at Amri hospitals are well equipped to handle this kind of surgeries, and we are doing it regularly.
So what is the cost part and all these things?
Yes.
Please have a overlook.
So this is a myth that cardiac surgery is costly, but I want to clarify in this forum, I want to clarify that open heart surgery in our state of Odisha is way cheaper than what it costs outside in bigger cities. That is the first thing. Second thing is, as you told, the cost part in minimal access cardiac surgery, cost is almost same as what the cost of this normal regular open heart surgeries. It is almost the same. It is not higher. It is almost the same. Even sometimes it is lesser, because person is staying in the hospital for a less number of days. So sometimes it is even lesser.
Sir, at AMRA hospitals, Bhubaneswar, what is the procedure and success rate of minimal invasive surgery?
Yes, minimal invasive heart surgery is very much available in Amri Hospital, Bhubaneswar, and we are regularly doing it, and we have very good success rate of minimal invasive heart surgeries. We are doing heart hole surgeries, that is the ASD closure surgeries. We are doing mitral valve replacements, we are doing aortic valve replacements, and we are doing selected cases of CABG, that is coronary artery bypass surgeries, with minimal access technique, with very small incision and very high patient satisfaction, with a fraction of cost that is cost in other bigger cities. So it is available in Amri hospitals, and we are doing it for the benefit of the people of our state.
Thank you, doctor, for your valuable time.
Thank you.
दर्शक बंधु, बिना अपॉइंटमेंट रे सबु रोगर सफल उपचार जानिबा पई हेले एबे ही सब्सक्राइब करंतु हमर YouTube चैनल प्रिकॉशन फॉर हेल्थ आ बेल आइकन क्लिक कला फल रे आपण हेल्थ रिलेटेड वीडियो सहित रहिबे अपडेट।